Namaste friends, this is Kamal Maliramani, founder of Energizer Yoga based out of Hyderabad, and this is my student Neha Shah. Today we bring to you a very important concept and a very important movement which is essential for all of us, and that is the movement of the spine. We all face backache at some point of our life, isn't it? Obviously, we are sitting for long hours. We are not moving the spine. We are not flexing it. We are not strengthening it. We are not giving it time. And so over a period of time, the ergonomically designed chairs which you're using start taking up the function of the very muscle which is meant to support you. And so these muscles, because they're not working, they start becoming weak. And then we start losing the flexibility of the spine. We start losing on the strength of these muscles which support us and support the spine. And over a period of time, we start facing problems with the spine. Lower back pain, middle back pain, pain in the cervical area. All these are very common, isn't it? So today we'll learn some very simple exercises. Okay, let's not complicate anything in life. The more simpler, the better, easier. You can do it any time of the day when you're empty stomach. That's one important part. And when you're totally fresh and aligned to do exercise for the spine. So without losing time, let's begin. For the very first exercise, let's have the hands in something called the cactus position. What is a cactus position? Here you have the hands in the form of a cactus, right? So there's a 90-degree angle at the elbow and also at the armpit, right? Now we use these hands to move our spine, right? So these hands are connected to the shoulder blade. So the moment we bring the shoulder blades closer to each other, we start moving our hands behind and we start opening the chest area, right? What we are trying to do is we are trying to work with the upper back. So the moment we move our hands behind, we open the upper back, look up, open the chest, breathe in. And then we do exactly opposite. We move the shoulder blades away from each other, bring the arms together, suck the lower rib cage in, breathe out. And then we breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in. Align your movement to the breath and you will enjoy it. Breathe out. One last time, breathe in. And breathe out. Relax. You can repeat this several times, as much as you would like to do it. Yeah? It's important that we move this upper back. Constantly sitting on the table, working in the kitchen, or studying, we start developing a hunched back. So it's important to have the posture right. A right posture, an aligned body will ensure you will not have any pains. Believe me, right? The second set of exercise you can do, which is very similar, but we change the hand position, right? This time we have the hands on the back of the head. So you have your fingertips on the back of the head, right? Your elbows are wide. And then the same thing. Breathe in. This position is called the arc position. Breathe out, hollow. So we suck the lower rib cage in and close ourselves. Open and close. Breathe slow. Open, expand, close. Slowly come back. Breathe in, breathe out. One more round. Breathe in and breathe out. Relax. Again, repeat as much as you like. You could be standing in the kitchen, and if you suddenly feel tired, go ahead and just do these movements. You will definitely feel more fresh, more alive. Yeah? We just change the hand position now. Now we have the hands on the waist, right? And we move the arms just like wings, right? So breathe in, expand. Breathe out, close. As if we want to get the elbows to meet each other. Breathe in, expand, Breathe out, close. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Relax. Let's move on to the next one. I'm sure you're feeling the energy flowing, isn't it? You're feeling a little more fresh and alive. The spine is feeling good, right? All your nerves, your complete communication system of the body is flowing through the spine. So the more the spine is free, the more you will feel alive. Yeah, the nerves will have easy flow of energy. So suddenly, whenever you're feeling low on terms of energy, these simple exercises will bring it back. Another simple exercise would be now just place the palms on the floor and repeat the same thing. You move your spine. Breathe in. Breathe out. Chin to the chest. Look towards your navel. Breathe in. Open. Breathe out. And close. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Last time. Breathe in. And breathe out. Relax. If you want to take this movement a little more deeper, I would recommend that you get into a table position. So Neha, can we demonstrate the table position? Right. So the idea to get into a table position is that you get the elbows to the knees. Ensure that your elbows are touching on the knees. That will ensure your hand distance is right. And the distance between your palms should be of that of the shoulders. Right. Your fingers are apart. Your index finger is pointing straight. Now slowly come up on your palms. Right. So this is your right distance between the hand and the knees. Now, we again move the spine just like we were practicing while seated. Breathe in, arc. So we lift the head up, draw the chest forward, push the spine down, lift the tailbone up. Now breathe out, hollow. Push the spine up. So if you see, the shoulder blades are moving out and the upper back is rounding. That is what is most needed. Breathe in, arc. Let the spine sink down, let the chest come forward. Breathe out, hollow. Lift the spine up as high as possible. Suck the navel in. Breathe in, arc. Don't forget breathing along with the movement. Breathe out, hollow. Breathe in, arc. Breathe out, hollow. One last time. Breathe in, arc. And breathe out, hollow. Relax. You can be seated. How do you feel, Neha?
I feel energized and I feel very relaxed.
Absolutely. Okay. Just a little 5 minutes of these simple movements and you're surely going to feel alive. Spine plays a very important role. The more your spine is stronger, the more you will feel confident in life. If you noticed, people who are usually depressed or feeling low, right? They will have a spine like this. They are closed. So usually when we are in stress, okay, you see this posture is very normal, right? We close. No, we don't want to close in life. We want to open up. We want to be confident. We need to be alive, right? So practice these exercises. A person who is very happy, who is very confident, if you see, the chest is broad, the spine is straight, and there's a smile on the face. And that's what we need on your faces too. Be with us, learn these simple techniques, and life is definitely going to be much, much more better, stronger. We sign off for today. Thank you very much.